Revolutionizing food delivery. How robots and drones are changing the game. Imagine a world where your favorite takeout arrives at your doorstep, not by a harried delivery driver, but by a sleek, autonomous drone or a nimble robot. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. The future of food delivery is here, and it's being revolutionized by robots and drones, promising to make the process better, faster, and potentially cheaper. This is the focus of today's edition of the Future of Everything newsletter, where we explore how innovation and technology are reshaping our lives, our work, and even our playtime. If you're not already subscribed, you can sign up here. See www.wsj.com/thefutureofeverything mod article inline to stay ahead of the curve. Picture this. You're craving a refreshing Panera strawberry lemonade. Instead of waiting for a delivery person to navigate traffic, your drink is whisked to you by a drone soaring through the sky. This isn't just a futuristic fantasy. It's becoming a reality in various locations around the globe. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, is the driving force behind this transformation. AI algorithms are crucial for the navigation and operation of these delivery systems. They allow drones and robots to autonomously plan routes, avoid obstacles, and even adapt to changing weather conditions. Think of it as a sophisticated GPS system, but one that can also think and react to its environment. But here's where it gets controversial. While the promise of faster and cheaper delivery is enticing, there are legitimate concerns about the impact on human delivery workers. Will these automated systems displace jobs? This is a complex issue with no easy answers, and it's something we'll need to grapple with as this technology becomes more widespread. And this is the part most people miss. The efficiency gains aren't just about speed. Robots and drones can operate around the clock 24/7 without the need for breaks or sleep. This could lead to significantly reduced delivery times, especially during peak hours, when human drivers are often overwhelmed. Furthermore, these systems can potentially reduce traffic congestion and carbon emissions, contributing to a more sustainable future. Consider this. What if these technologies could also improve food safety? Automated systems could be designed to maintain optimal temperatures for food, reducing the risk of spoilage and ensuring that your meal arrives in perfect condition. Another point to ponder, the cost savings could be passed on to consumers, making food delivery more affordable for everyone. However, it's also possible that companies will prioritize profit margins, keeping prices the same or even increasing them. What are your thoughts? Do you welcome the rise of robot and drone delivery? Or do you have reservations? Do you think the benefits outweigh the potential drawbacks? Share your opinions in the comments below. Let's discuss the future of food delivery together. Copyright 2025 Dow Jones & Company. All rights reserved. 87999. CBE 85681 AD50. Hub 19 describe at Rump Inky Punkadar.